happened, and Grandma's birthday is in 1 hour. Hi, friends. Welcome to Bumblebed Tales. Our friend Digby the Badger has one giant dream today, to bake the most beautiful birthday cake ever. He's got his tiny chef hat on, his recipe book wide open, and so much hope. But here's your warning. Digby is about to make 3 enormous mistakes. Can you guess which one almost makes him give up forever?
Digby grabbed the flour bag and tipped it right in. Poof! Flour blasted everywhere. On his nose, on the ceiling, even on the cat. The whole kitchen turned white as a snowstorm. Digby looked like a tiny flour ghost. He giggled, wiped his nose, and thought, okay, way too much flour. Try number 1, total disaster. But he wasn't stopping.
Well, Digby measured the flour perfectly, stirred and stirred, and when he tasted the batter, bletch! It tasted like wet cardboard soaked in absolutely nothing. And do you know why? He forgot the sugar. Can you believe it? 2 tries, 2 flops. Now, do you want to know which mistake is coming next? Because the third one, that was the one that almost made Digby sit down and cry.
Flour, check. Sugar. Digby slid it into the oven and watched the clock tick. But waiting was so hard. After just 1 minute, he thought, just one tiny peek won't hurt anybody. He opened the oven door a crack. Psst! The cake sank flat as a pancake. Digby stared at it. His paws started to shake.
Digby sat down on the cold kitchen floor, and he did something he hadn't done all day. He cried just a little. Grandma's birthday only comes once a year, and he had used up almost all the flour. He could walk to the party with empty paws, or try one last time with what he had left. That was the real choice. Digby closed his eyes. He thought about every single mistake. Too much flour, no sugar, peaked too soon. He knew exactly what went wrong each time. He took a deep breath and stood back up.
Flour measured carefully this time, sugar added, timer set, and Digby sat on the floor and counted every single second out loud. He did not peek, not even once. When the oven went ding, out came the most perfect golden cake he had ever seen. Grandma took 1 bite, put her paw over her heart, and whispered, Digby, this is the most delicious thing I have ever tasted in my whole life. So here is what Digby figured out on that cold kitchen floor, and here is what you can use too. Every flop taught him exactly what to fix next. Too much flour? Measure carefully. No sugar? Always check the list. Peaked too soon? Be patient. So the next time you try something hard and it goes wrong, don't give up. Just ask yourself, what did this mistake teach me? Then try again with your brand new superpower. Mistakes are just lessons wearing flour. Subscribe to Bumblebed Tales, a brand new story every single day.